Without further ado, let us now start up. It is my honor to introduce. He is graduated of Doctor of Philosophy at USC Florida, completed her geographical assignment from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, various awards medals, Sir Police Major, Miss Rancor, Ma'am Maria Pilar Babinero.
Sayang magiging persasiyahan, alam ng puso, sa tingin mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, kuya ka lang magiging, sa manlulupi, di ka masisiin.
Professionals, ganun din po, lagi nyo lang pong tatandaan at lagi nyo pong iingatan ang sarili nyo. Lagi ko po sinasabi, bago nyo po kami protektahan or kung sino man po sa establishment o sa posting po kayo, we wish.
It is my honor to introduce our guest speaker. He is graduated Doctor of Philosophy at USC Florida, completed geographical assignment from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, various awards medals, one of the famous blogger, Sir Police Major, Ontario.
I'll be guiding you through this course designed to prepare you for one of the most critical roles in maintaining safety and security. As security guards, you're the first line of defense in protecting people, property, and information. The skills, knowledge you acquire during this training will not only equip you to handle routine tasks.
Sir Iran Christopher Vindanillo.
Top 3. So ito idol, itong Victus na to, napakaganda to. Magamit mo to yung bag to siya eh. Pwede mong lagyan ng damit. Bag. So thank you. Bakit ko masabing matibay? Tignan mo ha. Yan. Hindi yan siya magka-crack.
Si SG Harilia Janmar Benita.
Mga Lods, our top 2 security guard from LPS Security Agency.
And the last, top 1 trainees for the Enhancement Training Program and Refresher Training Program for this batch 2024-004. One of the best trainee, babae po siya, from LPS Security Agency, from here, Romero Angelica de la Cruz.
Small but terrible. Ang galing na. Small but terrible.
Sir, maraming salamat po dito sa binigay na shows. Thank you po, sir.
Sir, maraming salamat po sa shoes na to na binigay nyo at meron na akong susuotin na shoes. Kasi yung shoes ko.
Oh, sira na pala ang shoes mo.
Kaya na,
Uy,
sir,
ano ba yung shoes mo?
Wala pa kasi sa shoes eh.
Anong klaseng shoes yan? After this, pwede mo nang isuot to. Ha?
Thank you, sir. Okay.
Maraming salamat po kay Sir at lalong-lalo na po sa nagbigay o nag-sponsor po ng sapatos na ito at lalo na po sa aming arms training school. Thank you po at God bless to us. Thank you po.
Again, sa nag-sponsor ng shoes kay Mr. Alfredo de los Santos, PATPAO President, Region 4A, Anbay. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Life is